You are welcome to this channel. Today we are going to be talking about smelly feet and cracked heels. Do you struggle with smelly feet or cracked heels? Here are two simple remedies you can try at home. Just vinegar, salt and warm water. Vinegar contains acetic acid that helps fight bacteria and fungus. Salt helps reduce swelling and soften hard skin. When combined, this soap can reduce odor, soften cracked heels and relax your tired feet. Fill a basin with warm water, add 1 cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix well and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times weekly. Rinse your feet after soaking and dry properly, especially between your toes. If you have open wounds, severe infections or diabetes, consult a healthcare professional before trying this.
Another powerful option is baking soda. It helps neutralize odor and exfoliate dead skin.
Natural remedies are simple, affordable, and effective when used correctly. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.